India crosses 300 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel-based installed electricity generation capacity. India has crossed 300 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel-based installed electricity generation capacity. Akashvani correspondent reports that the milestone of crossing 300 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel-based installed electricity generation capacity represents more than 60% of the 500 gigawatts capacity target set for 2030. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy said that the share of non fossil fuel based electricity capacity in the country's total installed electricity generation capacity has reached over 54%. It added that the growth in clean energy generation has been driven by strong contributions across sectors. In the total non fossil fuel capacity of the country, solar energy has remained a key growth engine with around 165 gigawatts of installed capacity at present. According to the ministry, a record 55.29 gigawatts of non fossil fuel based electricity generation capacity was added in the country during 2025-26. The rapid progress in renewable energy capacity is also reflected in renewable energy generation, which has increased from nearly 191 billion units in 2014-15 to over 477 billion units in 2025-26. The ministry further said that the clean energy transition is no longer just a climate commitment, it is central to shaping India's industrial competitiveness, energy independence, and economic resilience. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.